Okay, your 2 minutes starts now. You can start speaking.
Okay. Um, First, I like all type of music because I enjoy a lot the music in all in different part of my life. But my favorite kind of music, if I only say one, probably is the rock music. Um, because that kind of music, I feel the power of the guitars and the drums, and I like the combination of the different instruments, um, and I feel the free. I don't know, and I listen that kind of music in the at the weekends, because when I, for example, um, when I meet with my friends, or um, when I clean my house, I like to turn on the volume and clean with the rock in the background. Um, how you first learn? Um, the first time I heard that kind of music was in when I was a teenager. Um, the first band I like was Queen, and then when I liked the Rolling Stones and um, the band from my country too. Um, and
Okay,
well,
that's fine.
yeah.
That's fine. Good. You did well. Excellent. Um, turn up the music. Turn up the music. Turn up the sound. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Well done. Yeah, that was nice. So you had a good introduction and you answered all the WH questions. You gave an example. You said how you feel. You feel free. Very nice. Yeah, it's good. All right. Well done. So let's take a look at another one. Here we go. This one is describe a memorable trip you took as a child. You should say where you went, how you traveled there, what you did there, and explain why the trip is so memorable for you. Okay, so again, 1 minute to prepare. You can start preparing now.
I'm ready.
Okay, you can start.
My memorable trip was not when I was a child, when I was a young, and probably was when my family and I went to Disney because was a travel. We expect a lot because it's very expensive for us. So we prepare for all the year and yes, well, for 1 year, and well, it was very special for me because all the family enjoy the all the activities, and we went the all the park and always love the roller coasters. And so well, we enjoy like a family. And from this year, that was in 2012. And we are not we are four siblings, and we are not a child, but well, we was young. And well, that was the last travel no trip we travel all together, like a family all, because then you have a boyfriend, girlfriend, and you don't go with your parents. So that was the last well, trip, like a family all together. So that was a very memorable trip for me.
Nice. Very good. Well done. That was excellent. I think you did better in this one than the previous one. That was good. Nice. Okay. So, how did you do? So I think on this one, it was just minor word repetition, so you weren't repeating too much, which was good. You are saying and. Maybe you can change that a little bit to improve more, just to get it, in addition, furthermore, besides. Yeah, so just to mix it up a little more. But other than that, it was good.
Connector.
Yeah. So that was well done. And grammar, you didn't make too many errors. It's just sometimes with the preposition, it's with the in, on, at that you get a little mixed up. With the one question, turn on the sound, but turn up the sound would be more correct. But other than that, yeah, it's not major mistakes. Coherence, you were coherent. I could understand everything, and your fluency was fine. It was just that, again, the first one which you struggled with a little bit. Other than that, it was good. So well done. Excellent. How do you feel you did?
Oh no, fine.
Yeah.
Yes, I would like to feel more confident and try to well, don't think a lot in my mind.
Right. Yes. Shame. No, I understand. Okay. Here's some vocabulary. First one.
To hit the road, to start a journey or trip, in the middle of nowhere, a place that is long away from other buildings, towns, etc. A change of scenery, a different environment or setting. Pit stop, a short stop during a long trip for the rest, a meal, etc. A short stop. Okay. Okay. Pit stop is like for example, when you stop in the petrol station, for example,
Yes,
or
that's right. And you might also run to the shop and get a few snacks for the car. So it's a pit stop because your journey, you haven't reached your end point. You're still going from A to B, but in the middle you'll stop here and there a few times. It's like with Formula One racing. The racers have to have a pit stop to change tires during the race, and they have 2 pit stops minimum. Yeah. Short stops, basically. Good.
At the crack of dawn,
Hmm.
very early in the morning,
Right.
to take the scenic road,
Yeah.
to choose a longer route for the enjoyment of the view or experience.
Very good. Lovely. So that's it for today. We're gonna have to stop there. The time is up. But yeah, well done. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. We did quite a few things
Well,
different
so,
just to make it interesting.
okay.
All right.
Well, see you.
See
Bye
you.
bye.
Take care.